Hey everyone, today in this video I'll show you how you can quickly unfollow everyone all at once on your Instagram account. So yeah, this is how you can do it. So the first thing you're going to do is go into your account, and once you're in here, just click on your profile, and under here click on following. Now this is the old method, which means you could unfollow everyone on this list just by tapping on the following button like this. But if you want to unfollow everyone all at once, there is no set way. You cannot do it directly through Instagram. So yeah, that is something that you have to keep in mind. This is the method that you want to follow. First thing you want to do is click on your profile again, click on the top right corner, click on settings and privacy, scroll down, click on help, and once you're in here, click on report a problem, and then you can go ahead and click on report a problem without shaking, and under here click on include and continue, and over here you can ask the team Instagram to help you unfollow everyone on your account. Just type in help me by unfollowing everyone on this account. Once you click on send, that's it. Within a day or two, or a week, let's say, your problem should be solved, which means Instagram through their developers will be able to delete or unfollow all of the accounts that you have already followed on this account. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Hope you guys found it helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.